Get that, Cameron, you get away from it.
Wow.
Yes, please.
Is that interesting? Look at this.
No kidding.
That's unbelievable. Oh my God. Don't get too close.
He knows what's up.
It's like tiger. It's tiger cock.
That's unbelievable. I've never seen anything like that before. The alligator's scared of the cat. The cat has no fear. He's ready. He's playing with it. Wow. Alligator's scared.
Holy crap. Cameron, your mouth.
Holy cow. That cat showed him.
Good job.
Night mode. Wait. Okay, there's another one.
Come up.
Cameron, back up. Oh, look at that too. Alright, what's your leg? Ding, 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 over to.
What?
Whoa!
My God.
Cat.
This thing's a bat. They must eat them alligators.
Wow. The cat keeps the alligator so at bay. Look how pretty that one is. Look, I was patting that cat before. He's like totally tame to himself. That's just crazy. Look at him. He's a very friendly cat. And yet he goes, he's like aggressive with the alligators. Like it's the most amazing thing. They're watching. Not letting those alligators up here. They're like actually watching guard. Yeah, they're guard cats. Eli, you missed something unbelievable. Eli, you know.